Hey, what's up? It's Timo with Timo Paints, and today we're on this paint job. It's the final day. And I was thinking I need to tell you guys 3 tools to speed up every paint job. 3 tools that I use on a daily basis. But before I get into that, if you're interested in how I got this job using my Facebook ad strategy, I'll leave a link in the description below, as well as a free estimating guide gift from me to you. So let's talk about 3 tools that'll save you a ton of time on every single paint job. So I always keep 3 tools on me anytime I'm working on a job, especially the last day is what I find out. The first and the last day, it's really helpful to always have these tools on you. Number 1, I've said it before, I'll say it again, a duster. Now you don't want to use a good brush. This is a good brush, but it actually got kind of messed up and not cleaned out all the way. So it's a little stiffer than I like, and you know, it got tossed around, so it has all these stragglers. These are the kind of brushes you want to use for a duster. Now, this thing will save you so much time because you'll be in a little pickle. There'll be something in the way, some cobwebs or like some dirt or just something, the tape's not sticking. Take this sucker, use it like a little tiny push broom and get it all out. But I always keep one of those, and it's like a twofer because when it's on the back of your pocket, like so, you can ring some tape around there and then it becomes a tape holder. A lot of people can put the tape around their wrist, but not me, my wrist is a little too big. So I like to go ahead and put the tape on the back here, and it just kind of hangs out there for whenever you're ready for it. Number 2, crucial tip that'll save you time on every paint job is a putty knife. I always keep a putty knife on me and a duster and one other tool that I'm saving for last. It's the best. Whether it's a 5-in-1, a 10-in-1 or whatever, or just a plain old putty knife, this will get, you could take screws down with this, scrape off any type of boogers that you get into. It really comes in handy. Sometimes you just need it to pull a nail out, maybe that'll help. But I also like the ones with the end on the back where you can hammer in any kind of nails or nail pops. Now, my ultimate number 1 favorite tool out of these 3 is a razor knife. I like these folding up razor knives better than like a utility knife. Reason being is, like a utility knife, you have to get it out. It's really bulky in your pocket, and typically they don't have a little belt clip on it. Also, these little fold away ones are real quick release. It's easy to change the blade just like that, but you know, and it folds up, safe, and it fits in your pocket. Those 3 tools, if you keep them on you at all times, you will save exponential amounts of time, because it's always those little times when you're in a ladder, you're in a tight space. Especially with painting, you typically get yourself into some tight spaces, and you don't want to have to walk all the way back out to the truck, or all the tools are on that side of the house. So just keep those 3. Anything you run into, you can handle with those 3. Now, there's one bonus tool that I forgot to mention at the beginning of this video. It's the 4th tool, and it's crucial. It's headphones. You gotta have headphones, gotta have music. Hey, if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Or you can watch one of these videos right now. Peace.